nakabalik na tayo dito sa fourth set. 8-2. After that third set win, Coach Ron, itong Sandugo San Sebastian, ibang-iba ang pinapakitang kumpiyansa at attitude dito sa laro, no?
Body language,
Oo.
game face. Sabi nga natin, itong dalawang koponan, inaasahan natin na may hirap makuha yung kanilang rhythm because of the late start of this game. Pero sila, it took them 2 sets for them to wake up. Pero nung nagising, ang hirap ng kalaban.
The defense is right in place right now for outside. Itong Philippine Army naman, kita mo ngayon, sila yung nangangapa. Sila yung parang hindi sigurado sa kanilang mga plays and pattern.
Nila yung finisher sa kanilang attacker. Yun si Michelle Carolino.
Malaking bagay.
Malaking bagay talaga. Maski anong sabihin mo. Pero ito, depensa problematic right now para dito sa koponan ng Philippine Army, and Jeng Broly will score once again. This is an avalanche of points right now para sa Sandugo. Question is, what will the Philippine Army Lady Troopers do about it?
10-2. And alam mo, hindi na ako nagtata, Coach Ron, because the first time these two teams met, 5 sets din ang inabot.
Tama. Last Sunday lamang yon.
So, it is just fitting na sa rematch, magkaalaman ulit tayo in 5 sets. Tingnan natin. Because the way it's going, itong Philippine Army seems nawalan ng kumbaga parang binitawan yung gas pedal, no? Let go of the accelerator.
Alam mo, tatlo na lamang yung hinahabol nila rin sa third set Yun, I think, yung crucial na parte ng huling nakalipas na set.
Yung turning point
Yes.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's Village, talking about turning points. Jang Buli making a powerful hit. Ito sa serve niya. Nabawi with that service error. Mayat Carolino comes back in together with Urs Iratay. Parang naghahanap ng kombinasyon ngayon si Coach Rico de Guzman.
Pero syempre, mababaw na yung pasensya mo dahil ang laki ng kalamangan. You want to make the necessary adjustments. You want to remedy the situation right away. Sometimes, ang hirap mag-rotate. Yung substitution pattern mo, na-mess up na
Tingnan natin kung may babalik. And they do. Jang Buli is right there. Ay, siksik. Not a good play. Ruby de Leon knows it. And ayan, kita mo, inaamin niya. Yung dalawang blocker, nasa tapat niya. Ayun, nakabang lang
Si Eli Benting, wala nakamarka sa kabila.
Oo, doon nag-iisa. So, good read there by Rachel.
Well, nagkakamali rin yung magagaling.
Oo naman.
Tao lang.
This time, pinabawi si Angela. And, tignan mo, maganda yung play. Late yung block ng Army.
You asked for it, you got it.
Yes.
And Eli Benting will deliver for Sandugo. It took a while for them to draw first blood, but when they did, natuloy-tuloy ang agos ng dugo for San Sebastian.
Yeah, you're right. Yonko gets stopped by Angela.
Stands about 5'5" at the very most.
Yes. Yonko probably about,
manangkad yan, pero one of the biggest fighting hearts na nakita natin dito sa liga. Wala pa sa UAAP. Ayan, tinan mo.
Tapat na tapat. 13-5. Sandugo again with that service ace courtesy of Ruby de Leon.
Alam mo, mabigat sa
na to, 9
Philippine Army kasamang Doc is yung mindset nila. Hindi naman mabigat yung nilalaro nila. Mabigat yung nasa isip nila.
Which is the usual the case, no? Pagka ganitong nakapanalo ka na ng 2 sets, pagdating ng third, medyo nag-relax. Before you know it, nasa 5th set ka na.
Yung
nangangap.
Crisis management ng mga players, kailangan mabilis maproseso talaga yan dahil pag hindi, ang hirap ibalik.
Alright, itong Army napatawag ng timeout as they find themselves down by 10 points. Let's listen.
Energy kayo sa loob para hindi kayo magkakilala. Tingnan nyo lang kung ano yung mga nasa dibdib natin. Laro lang, laro. Sige.
Alright, ito na, makikita natin. Again, yung substitution ni Coach Rico de Guzman. Two-man substitution. Again, for the Philippine Army.
Uhugot na siya ng uhugot eh. Either para masalvage ito o para sa preparasyon, para sa susunod.
Ganun eh,
Yes.
may strategy ka ng
You have to be
looking ahead.
You have to be realistic about the situation. Lumalaban naman eh.
Aha.
Hindi naman nagpapabaya, kaya lang outplayed talaga.
Ruby. Again, when these two teams first met, ang panalo ay ang Sandugo.
Husay ni Ruby.
16-5. After that, two sets won by the Philippine Army. Ito, they are down by 11 points in the fourth. We'll be right back.